Alright everybody, I am with the LCU later, the RC F, which has yet to be named. We're going to do an exhaust sound off. So the LCU later, as you know, I'm here with my boy Dustin from Lexus Southern. Alright, so that is the Apex mid-pipe Tom's Racing full titanium catback exhaust, and this is the Apexi full race back. So you can kind of tell the difference in sound between the two. I think the V8 and the it's the same engine, obviously. The sound in the RCF sounded a little more throaty to me, and the LC just sounded more exotic. So we wanted to put this quick comparison for you so you can kind of tell the difference between the two. Obviously, again, same motor. The LC has the Apex mid-pipe Tom's Racing full titanium rear exhaust. The RCF has Apexi mid-pipe and the Apexi titanium rear exhaust. So hopefully this helps a couple of you kind of figure out, you know, what sound you want on your Lexus V8. Hit me up, email me. I can get you connected with either of those, and can't get enough of this Tom's Racing kit. We just had the LC with Butler Tire at Caffeine and Caffeine Octane, and people were just going crazy for this car. RCF wasn't too shabby either, but people just love the LCU later. It's only Tom's full carbon package in the US, outside, anywhere outside of Tom's Racing record. And of course, Boston Work wheels on the RCF, Boston Forge on the LC. Alright everybody, I'm gonna shut this down. Thank you.